So today we're going to be looking at the Arctic Air Chill Zone XL. I read a lot of great reviews on this thing and I've been wanting something to cool up my office, so I'm excited to give this a try. We'll do a quick unboxing to show you exactly what comes included. We'll try it out and then I'll give you my initial thoughts. So to be honest, there's not a lot that comes included, which is great because that likely means this will be easy to operate. Now out of the box you're going to get the power supply, which has a USB Type-C end to it. And the only other thing that you're going to get is the actual device itself. It's compact and lightweight, which is great because you can take it easily from room to room or wherever you need. It's got a great modern look and design to it. So we're going to pop open the top, and there's tape on the left and right hand side that you'll need to remove. This is the cartridge, which goes in and out very easily. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this powered on. We're going to plug the power supply to the back on the top left hand side. The instructions are pretty easy on this. After you plug in the device, you'll just add water to the tank and turn it on. It's that simple. Now it does recommend using a pitcher, but I don't have one, so we're going to try it out with just a standard cup and see how that works. So it's not spilling out at all as long as you pour nice and slowly. So if all you have is a cup like me, you should be fine. I did pre-soak the cartridge and put it in the freezer for a couple of hours, so I'm curious to see how cold the air gets. Okay, so the first button is going to turn on the device to its max setting. There's 3 different levels of intensity, and I gotta say, this is blowing out some very cold air right now. Pressing this last button allows the device to rotate left and right. It does only have one speed, which is pretty slow, but that actually works out better for me. One more press is going to stop the device from rotating. There's also a button to allow you to change the color of the base, which I really like, because if the room you have has a certain theme to it, you can try to match the color. I gotta tell you, this is a small but mighty fan, perfect for a desk or tabletop. The air is actually nice and cold. I love that you can change the color of it as well. This is gonna go perfect in my office. So overall, I'm giving it 2 thumbs up.